Just have to say action.
Action.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, I start to shout. Tip me over and pour me out. That's it.
Yay, Kazoo, good job!
Do I go to Hollywood? Do I get my ticket? I can sing another song. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Do I go to Hollywood? Huh? Do I go to Hollywood? Please let me go to Hollywood. 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 Let me just have one more chance. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So go to Hollywood. Go to Hollywood. Hollywood. Okay.